My mojito foam is done. It's very boozy, very yummy. Still stressed, still under the palm. All right, I just need to run.
I've got my kiwi pear fruit salad compote, mojito mousse, kiwi pear and lime sorbet. To top it off, I pipe some mojito foam and close it with the lime leaf meringue.
Look at that, look at that.
Service.
What I hope is that when the judges close their eyes and take a bite, it tastes just like mojito.
Christy, what do we have here?
This is my kiwi mojito.
Thank you so much, Christy. We'll taste.
Thank you.
I think it's quite fun. The colors are so fresh. I'm anticipating a very fresh dessert.
I think it was a very beautiful visual dessert, refreshing and good in flavour, and it really hits a mojito mark. But for me, I think it's a little bit too mojito.
It did deliver on the promise of the flavor. I love the fruit salad around. I thought it was so refreshing, and the texture of the sorbet is fantastic. However, I will have to agree with Adriano. When there is alcohol, there is always a risk to be too bougie. I think because of the foam, the white rum takes over everything in my palate.
I would have loved something that sort of just melted away and gave you the sensation of rum. So that was definitely a little bit distracting. But I think the creamy textures and the fresh acidic flavours really worked together to complement one another nicely.
Okay, next. I've had a couple of wobbles so far in this cook, but I am pushing on. It's time to serve my green dish. Still frozen. Oh, man. My entremets are still frozen in the centre. Stay calm. Lost it. I'm like gonna cry for her.
I just want her to be able to play it out.
Yeah.
You can do it, Milky.
I'm feeling now like dish one is a total flop. I'm about to send out my first dish, and I think my entremets might be frozen inside.
Don't stress. Don't stress. They're amazing.
And my hands are completely tied because I have to start plating up my dish. Whew. All I can do is present it beautifully and hope for the best. I've got my verbena mascarpone mousse, apple and pistachio entremet on the plate with a quenelle of apple sorrel sorbet, and then finish it off with that beautiful apple crisp.
Yes, so good.
Service, please.
But I love that colour of the green. That shade is so pretty.
Wow.
Wow.
Thank you.
Wow,
Amazing.
terrific.
This looks gorgeous.
Sexy green.
Emelia, what do we have?
We have apples and verbena.
Are you happy?
I'm not... I think it looks beautiful, but I just am not overly happy with the temperature.
Okay.
Yeah.
Thank you. We'll taste.
Thank you.
Thanks.
I don't think there is a temperature problem at all. It eats very well. It is very refreshing. All the flavors she announced really come through from the apple confit in the center. The mousse is light, quite soft. The sponge has a lot of bite and strong flavor of pistachio. And the twill not only plays a great visual, but is also just crispy enough and brings a lot of crunch to the dessert.
I'm in my pistachio era right now, and so that was a real winner, and you could actually smell that pistachio, that nuttiness.
I think every texture here is being eaten at the height of where it's meant to be. That mousse is so airy, so velvety. It just envelops everything in the most luscious way. The sorrel and apple sorbet, not icy at all. Again, really refreshing, really cleanses the palate. And then that apple crisp, it was a fun texture, really great to crack into.
That was beautiful.
You added a bit of theatre as well. I think this was a light, bright dish, and I think that it fit the theme perfectly. Well, we're one course down, but there's still one more course to go. Shall we go change tables?
Sounds good.